Hello, my name is Klavs and welcome to another kind of DIY video. From the thumbnail you've seen what's up, so let's go straight into it. I recently have purchased something, and from the thumbnail you've seen, it's this thing. This is how I received it. This is a Breville or Breville, call it however you wanna, coffee machine. This is broken or sold as spares and repairs. Here, let's see what we get in the package. Yes. Ooh, shiny. Shiny. Ah, 2 marks. Okay. So these are the bottoms. Obviously, this is for the tray. Some kind of metal spoon. I'll spoon you. Spoon. This is the cup that goes in. All right. The lid for this. And I think the coffee machine. That's it. Yep. Okay, I've been told that it's leaking, so this is how it looks like. Well, the wire isn't that long. So this is the milk froster. It lets the milk go. This is where the coffee comes out, and you put this. Here comes out coffee. That's how it works. That's a coffee machine. Hey, and it comes off. So, let's see what's this. Come out, come out. Okay, let's see from this one. This is 1 cup. This for a cup. So this 1 cup, this is 2 cup. It says max how much coffee to put in there. Coffee. I do love my coffee. For now I don't have a coffee machine because I do not see the logic of spending 120. This costs 120. From 70 to 120 and upwards. To spend on such coffee machine just to make a cup of coffee. I can do the old school style. Just get the glass vase with the lid on, so you can just press down and all the coffee grounds are on the bottom and you have a nice coffee. But it's a coffee machine and I bought it not for a full price, remember. So I did on eBay a little bidding war. I got this all for $15.60.
Wow!
Literally $15.60. Brand new is like from 80 to 120-ish. So is it worth cleaning this up and fixing this to have a machine for $15.60, or they are not repairable? Once they start to leak or something goes wrong, they are meant to be chucked out. I'll show you right here a video, somewhere here or somewhere here, that it actually leaks. This machine does leak, and the leak is coming from somewhere from here, which is weird. From here, not from here somewhere. Where maybe the O-ring is gone or something. Here, right, this line right here, like it's dripping down from here. So that means need to remove this and see where this goes. But it says in the listing itself, it has not been tried to fixed. Well, somebody did try, but they didn't manage to get out all the screws because there isn't really much space, you know. So let's undo the screws fully and let's check what they didn't want it to fix. Hey! This doesn't say much to me, so I don't see much here, but I see with my eye there's a screw right there. And here's the screw. Yep, there are 2 screws, but it's going inside, so it means it's somewhere here. So the lid can come off. Okay, let's undo these screws. So then this is all taken off. We can continue on. So to remove this lid. I see the problem. So 6 screws. Easy. So 6 screws later, here are the tabs which hold on that. So what do we have here? This is pump. This is the pump that goes here, pumps from here, goes in here. This might be the heater. This is the logic board, and it looks like inside there, I don't know if you can see it, but yes, this lid is held here, there, and here is a tab right there. There's a tab right there. Basically what I'm gonna do with the screwdriver, I'm gonna push the tab outwards like this. See, the tab is right there. I'll put you here so you can look down like this. I'll push on the tab and pull with 2 hands. I cannot hold you in my hands. I'm gonna pull this up and then you'll see this will pop up. Once you take it off, these tabs. So these tabs are sitting in here, so you need to pull them up and up. So now we're on the top. So this button leads on this. So where it has been, this is rusted. This hose is pliable. This is kind of discolored, so this is the heated up hose. Ooh. Basically, right now what we can do is switch this on and check what's actually leaking. So let me set things up. I'll put here the water and we're gonna check, we're gonna get some hot water out. Let me set this up, put it back up there, and the milk froster can hold it up. So let's see from where this is leaking, because it looks like from here, like right here, but there's nothing that can leak. Maybe one of these hoses are just bad, but it's fully working. So let's check, let's see. Bubbles. So I'm gonna put it here and we're gonna check why this is leaking. You can see right here, doesn't look that good. Oh yeah, this is heating up. This is heating up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so warm. I can see some water already. Oh, leak without turning on. There is the leak. This is the problem maker. It's leaking now. Look at that. Okay, off. Unplug. We found the leak. Here's the leak. Why are you leaking? Why are you leaking? This is hot, this heats up. Oh, the water goes through here. It's pooling right there, see? And that's why there is this leak. Because this... Oh, I touched the engine, don't touch it. Not the engine, but the heater. Because of this bastard. I see what's going on. So basically what I'm doing, I'm putting a screwdriver or something in there that to pull this tab up. Doesn't work. Oh, it bounced. It's here. Oh my god, I need... Okay, prepare for a huge leak. Let's unplug this. Come out. Come. That can stay there. Towels, shop towels. So if this leaks, then we know what's up. So this I took out. Okay, this is a metal. It has metal on the end. This is metal, so it should seal. Hello, what do we have there? This is an O-ring pick. Oh, frick. I'm glad it was there. Are these two O-rings troublemakers? Or is this having a split somewhere? Doesn't look like. I don't see a split or any kind of problems. Is in there and leak. Let's see in there. Guys, you have to be my eyes. I'm looking through your guys' eyes and I don't see any problem. I know it was crooked, but there's not much I can do.
20 minutes later.
What I found and noticed right away, the hose is split. Right there. It's building up pressure and then leaving it. Right somewhere here is a hole. Oh, there it is. See the split? Okay, there you go. That's a picture of close by. Can you see that slit in there? This is a micro camera from my phone. See that slit in there? That's when it builds the pressure. It opens up and lets all the water and all the steam out. So yeah, technically, we did find the problem. It's this hose. The rest is working perfectly fine. It's not the O-rings, it's nothing like that. It's just this hose is split. So yeah, there's no point. If you cannot find this kind of hose, there is no point of buying even this kind of thing. If I can find the replacement hose, I'll get it and I'll make part 2. But for now, that's how much you can see it. Hope this video helps you at least in some way. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. You win some, you lose some. This one, I lost. But it was fun, And now we know what's inside these coffee machines.